Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon NIKKOR Z14 to 24mm f/2. 8S ultra-wide-angle zoom lens stands out as a remarkable option for photographers seeking to capture sweeping landscapes, architectural marvels, or even creative close-ups. This lens is designed specifically for Nikon's Z series mirrorless cameras, and it offers an impressive combination of versatility, image quality, and robust construction. One of the first things to notice about this lens is its exceptional optical performance. With a constant f/2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range, it allows for excellent low-light performance and depth of field control. The lens incorporates advanced optical elements, including aspherical and extra-low dispersion glass, which minimize aberrations and ensure stunning sharpness from corner to corner. Whether you're shooting at 14mm or zooming into 24mm, images retain remarkable clarity in vibrant colors, which is critical for landscape and architecture photography. The build quality of the NIKKOR Z14 to 24mm is equally impressive. It features a weather-sealed design, making it a reliable companion for outdoor photographers who often face varying environmental conditions. Additionally, the lens has a robust metal mount that feels solid and durable. The lens is relatively compact and lightweight given its focal length range, making it easy to carry during long shooting sessions. The lens also features a unique control ring that can be customized for various functions, such as manual focus or aperture control, enhancing the user experience. The silent wave motor ensures quick and quiet autofocus performance, which is particularly useful for video recording. Overall, the Nikon NIKKOR Z14 to 24mm f/2. 8S is an outstanding ultra-wide-angle lens that excels in delivering superb image quality and build. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this lens is an invaluable addition to your photographic toolkit, allowing you to explore creative possibilities with confidence.